Kendra, how do you feel about your mom being up there? She can do it, huh?
No, I don't want to go to the hospital today.
You won't be going to the hospital. She can do it, yes?
I'm scared about
She can do it, so you can do it, Mom. Okay, let's see what happens.
She is filming. Let's go. Go, Mom. Go first. Let's go, Zippy. Let's go.
Keep it up, girls.
Let's go.
Oh, where are we? Here we go.
Don't think you're all the air. You're flying above. Push her off.
How in the world?
Let's go, Zippy.
Let's go!
That is a long way down. Let's go, Zippy. Let's go.